Happy Thanksgiving! Gotta set the table, gotta make flowers, place cards if you wanna make them. I gotta get ready for the day, obviously, tidy up this kitchen. Time to get to work. Look at that. Goodbye, fall stuff! Ready to put up Christmas. Tonight we are actually celebrating my dad's 70th birthday, and I've got him a cake made. Tonight we are going cosmic bowling. We got a whole little party planned, we got food and everything, so it should be fun. Happy birthday! We are currently getting our Christmas tree. I like this one. She's beautiful.
Do it again. Stick around out and go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my car. I have just pulled up at Trader Joe's to do the weekly shop because we are literally out of food, out of all of it. Berries, cheeses, we're out, we're cooked. But it's also the Monday before Thanksgiving, so this is the official Thanksgiving shop. I thought I was being clever by coming on Monday right at opening. It's making no difference. The entire world is here, but that's okay. I also have not been here in a couple of weeks. I feel like we did Costco and Aldi, I don't know, and Bradley came for like a little supplemental trip, but I haven't been here to check out like all the Christmas stuff, all the new releases. I need to go through the Instagram of like the Trader Joe's new stuff to make sure I don't miss anything. But yeah, let's go do the Thanksgiving shop. Good morning, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving! So I just made a list because I feel overwhelmed. Not overwhelmed, just like I don't want to forget anything. And it always feels good to do a brain dump. Milo's playing some Donkey Kong, but we're trying to get him to turn it off so that we can watch the parade. Bradley just made sausage balls. He's making us some eggs.
The balls, I think I put too much pancake mix, I'm sorry.
I'll take care of them for Christmas time. Okay. Somebody didn't watch my video on how to properly do them.
In bed this morning, and you were like equal parts, and I was like,
You did it wrong. So yeah, starting with breakfast and the parade, and then we've already got the dishwasher running because I figure let's have a clean dishwasher for later because I am gonna use my fancy plates that I got this year, and I'm very excited. Gotta set the table, gotta make flowers. Place cards if you want to make them. I gotta get ready for the day, obviously. Tidy up this kitchen, tidy up the playroom. Love to tidy the upstairs because people always wander upstairs and it's a nightmare up there.
Nothing upstairs for you, Grandma.
People are up there, so time to get to work. I don't really know where to start. Maybe I'll start with flowers. That sounds nice. Start there. All right, so flowers are done. We had breakfast. This one's my favorite because it has the sunflowers, but I just put it back here. Also, I picked this in my last vlog. It's unbelievable how fragranced this is. Like, it makes the whole downstairs smell incredible. It just smells so good. And I just put that on display for everyone to know that it's the coolest thing. I'm gonna put these somewhere like on the appetizer table, which I'm just gonna make over there, but it's not ready yet. I also cleared off and cleaned all of this area. Milo made this that he can wear in school. He's got a headband too. I just set it over here hoping he'll wear it later. And then I've got two other little flower arrangements in here, just in these little clear pots. I think I'm gonna send Milo and Bradley, I'm over here, on a walk to there's these specific red fall leaves in our neighborhood that we a couple years ago used or like place cards. I wrote on them with a cool Sharpie, so I think I'm gonna send them, here's the light, there we go. Please don't mind this. I obviously need to shower and deal with myself, but I think I'm gonna send them on a walk to go find 10 beautiful leaves so we can write everybody's names on them, and then I can be ready to set the table. But first, I remembered I wanted to make these, I wanna make like a fall salad that has sweet potato and pomegranates in it. And I also picked the 2 pomegranates that the critter that's eating my yard left me. Well, only because I wrapped them in foil. So I'm gonna start that and then maybe start peeling potatoes because you can peel and cut them and then put them in water 24 hours in advance. We don't need that long, but I could just put that in the fridge, have that done, and then I'll probably get ready, set the table. Let's do it. Okay, so my drizzling effect. I think my chocolate like wasn't thin enough, so they don't look like the prettiest, but they look delicious. And I did top it off with some like chunky salt, so that sounds good. I think I put these in the freezer, but I'm not sure. I need to look it up. But yeah, there's my little pomegranate guys. And then I just put the rest in a Tupperware for the salad later. All right, Burley's starting the smoker. Are you wearing your Panther shirt because the Panthers are playing?
No, they're not playing, and I don't know. I was just what I slept in last night, and I don't want to put on my like Thanksgiving shirt yet. These big chunks are what you want for low and slow.
Okay.
Because this turkey's going to go for 3 to 4 hours. I've usually every year spatchcocked it, where you cut the spine out and it's flat, and then the idea is that it cooks more evenly. I've done that every year. My complaint is, oh no, because I buy a small turkey, I feel like it was done in like under 90 minutes. And then it wasn't getting as much smoke and crisp as I wanted to. So this year, and also like we never have the good scissors for spatchcocking and stuff. Like I don't want to touch it. I want to throw it on the grill. I want to season it and then let the smoker do the work. We'll find out if it's as good.
But yeah, he's starting this. I'm gonna go shower and get ready, and then I think I'll work on the table, start my appetizers. Also, a glorious California Thanksgiving. It's already so nice outside. It was supposed to be a cloudy day, but nope. I got this beautiful, very lovely package from Cocoa Kind. All about, probably my favorite product release of the entire year, Ceramide Lip Blur Bombs, which these were already gonna be on my stocking stuffer gift guide, which I still need to film. That's coming soon. But they have this gift set, which is so cute. Balmy Bliss Lip Balm Duo, and you get these limited edition, like, winter charms for them. I love this pink one. I don't think I've tried this like darker brown one, so I am so excited about that. They also sent some more colors, Be Brave and Be Magnetic. Maybe I'll wear one of these today. And then, oh, I don't know what this is. Let me open that. Oh, and then a very cute charm. This is Cocoa Kind. Let me open this and see what it is. Oh my goodness, it's the cutest little makeup bag you've ever seen with compartments around the side, which is like necessary these days. How cute is that? And I can put the little charm on that. Oh, that is so cute. So thank you, Cocoa Kind. And again, if you don't watch my stocking stuffer gift guide, this is a great stocking stuffer. My favorite product of the whole year. It's so good. Okay, I have snuck upstairs to get ready. I totally dropped the curling iron on my chest. Don't mind the laundry in the chair that needs to be put away. Which it stings so bad. And I did try to cover it up with some makeup, but that's gonna hurt tomorrow. But I've just got on, let me see if I can. It's this cute tiered dress. Oh my God. Toys everywhere from Old Navy. I have it in a patterned color as well. But I also have this brown, and I thought that it was like perfect for Thanksgiving. Just a nice brown dress to go with my rust nail polish. But I wanted to take a second to thank the sponsor of this portion of the video, which is Ana Luisa. You guys know I have been working with them for years. I've been wearing them for years, and it is truly my very favorite jewelry company. Today I've got on these really cute bow studs. I was gonna put my very favorite earrings from them, which is their mini organic pearls, in, but I liked just the bow. So I'm leaving it at that. But how fun are these for the holidays? Basically every earring you see me ever wear is from Ana Luisa. My pearls, all my Huggies, I have some fun, like sparkly studs. I have a ton from them that I've just been collecting over the years. And they're just very, truly, honestly, my favorite. So if you're looking for the perfect gift this year, definitely give Ana Luisa a try. I have had like my mini organic pearls for almost 5 years. Still in perfect shape. I've never had anything tarnish on me. I've never had any stones fall out. They do offer a 2-year warranty, which is great. And I love them because it's great quality pieces at affordable prices. And I also love that it's like dainty everyday jewelry, but they come like with a twist, you know? Like these are cute bows. They're not just like boring studs, you know? They truly have something for everyone. Highly recommend checking them out. I will have my link in the description if you want to check them out for a gift. They've always got great sales going on. But yeah, thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of the video. Those are my earrings of choice. I might put in a hair clip, I'm not sure yet. But let's go set the table. All right, so for the table, I'm gonna use these as like a salad plate. Let me get them out. All right, so we got the big plates. Figure I'll do like a plate, and then a little plate on the inside, and then the leaf with everybody's names. Hold off on the silverware because we have toddlers running around. Get a nice cup. And yeah, love that. And then for dessert, I have my Kate Spade Target plates that I got earlier this year. I'm so excited about that. All of these are, sorry, Milo's playing Blue's Clues. All of these are dishwasher safe as well, which is a lifesaver. So yeah, gonna set the table. morning. It is Saturday now. I don't think I vlogged us like tidying up yesterday, but then we headed off to Bradley's family's house to do Sattler Thanksgiving. So I didn't vlog. There's a lot of people.
Bread.
He's eating some bread. Bradley is currently coaching some hockey. I showed you that I was taking down all the fall stuff yesterday. Ready to put up Christmas. So I'm working on that. Milo's, he likes me to hide his puzzle number pieces and then he finds them around the house, so he's doing that. And then when Bradley gets back, tonight we are actually celebrating my dad's 70th birthday, which is nuts. And I've got him a cake made. I did like a light Elvis theme, just with like some Elvis lettering saying Mark 70th and then some details of his favorite Elvis suit around the side of the cake. So we'll see how it is. I did get to go do a cake tasting and it should taste amazing. So when Bradley gets back, I'm going to pick that up. And then tonight we are going cosmic bowling. That's what my dad wanted to do for his 70th birthday. So I had to call around, find a place that would do, you know, whatever. We got a whole little party planned. We got food and everything. So it should be fun, but I'm excited to see what the cake looks like. But in the meantime, I'm decorating for Christmas. I think we also might go get our Christmas tree today. I whisper in case it doesn't happen. I don't want to upset Milo. We might go do that. It's gonna happen within the next few days. Yes, baby? Okay, go pee. But yeah, for now, I decorate.
Good night, Amy. Like, drop your arm down like you're asleep.
Okay, so here is the cake. I'll try to get a better shot of it when we take it out of the box, but it looks perfect. This design, like I think I said, is my dad's favorite Elvis suit. It's called the Nail and Mirror, and she nailed it. Like at first I was worried he wouldn't understand what it's supposed to be, but then when I picked it up and saw it, I was like, there's no mistaking it. And then I got Mark 70th on the top in like Elvis logo letters, and I just think it looks fun. My sister picked up some silver candles and I can put those on. So yeah, there's a sneak peek at the cake. I am so delighted with the way it turned out. I like this one. She's beautiful.
Is she?
I think so. Hi guys, we are currently getting our Christmas tree. You gonna say hi?
Hi.
But we always just come to Lowe's because if you come like the weekend, like right after Thanksgiving, you know, they're 25% off. So we actually got the nicer tree because 25% off is a good chunk, and we found a beautiful tree. Bradley's taking it to go get
That mommy was daddy.
Daddy went to go get our tree put in the net, whatever. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. How's your bowling game going?
I'm having a good time, but I'm warming up with each throw. That's what's important.
Milo's not loving it, but that's okay.
Yeah, he bowled one time, and he was like, I don't want to anymore.
I didn't expect him to love it. But this is the food spread. We got pizza, chicken fingers and fries, some salad, and here's the cake and my family bowling.